Hi all, and welcome back to the shed today. Car's hit 220,000 kilometres, needs an oil change for it's every 10, so I thought I'd just include you on it. So we'll get going, hey? I used to, we had this car as a lease car, and we used to get all our services done by the dealership. And that was alright, but it was about $240 to change the oil and the oil filter and check a few nuts and bolts and things. So I started doing my own oil changes after the period was over of the lease and once the warranty was over. And I now use a full synthetic oil and filter. It cost me about $75. And that's my 10,000k service done. And I have a check over things while I'm at it as well. Alright, I'll take the fuel filler cap off. A couple of little habits I got into changing oils. I get the filler cap, and I've got the filler cap off. I chuck it in the bonnet clip, that way can't shut the bonnet without the filler cap on. There we go. Okay, so I've got some oil, I've got the filter, I've got the socket under the drain plug, and a drum to catch it all in. I used to always just do this with the car on the ground. This car you can, it's high enough. Except I got one of these creepers and I couldn't get my head underneath the car then. Also, I think it's a little bit better because the drain plug's on the back of the engine, and that way get out most of the old oil, ready to put the new oil in. Alrighty. Get that underneath there. Try not to drop the drain plug in the oil bucket. I usually do that about good once out of every two times. When you change the oil, I find it really easy to have one of these sort of things. I've had different types. This is just one. Put that around the oil filter, and as you go to undo it, tightens around the oil filter. Makes it really easy to get the oil filter off. Let that drain. Put the bung back in before I pull the oil filter off. Had the car running to get the oil nice and hot. I'll let it sit for a little bit though, so I didn't burn my fingers. Just the oil warm tends to drain a lot better. Just up firm, don't need to make it super tight, otherwise you'll damage it and get it off again. There you go. Oil's drained. Now we get the filter off. This tends to get a little bit messy sometimes. You can never get them off neat and tidy without making a mess. The oil filter is right above a cross member. So it spills on the cross member and then makes a bit of a mess. Ooh, that wasn't very tight, that was amazing. OSK, genuine parts, that last one. Genuine to OSK, who they are. But anyway, it looked of pretty good construction. Another aftermarket one, Repco box, a little sticker so you can put on when your next oil changes. There's plastic to keep the dust out. Okay, so with the oil filter, always put a little bit of oil around that washer, the rubber seal, that way you can go with spin on easier. Get on reasonably firm without damaging the seal, and it'll seal better. cross thread it. Okay, so it's the oil filter installed, oil's out, just got to top it up with oil again. So when I was getting it serviced by the dealership, I don't know what oil they were putting in, whatever the standard was that they used. When I started doing it myself, I started using a full synthetic oil. It's like 540 for this car, for a full synthetic. After a couple of oil changes, we started getting around about a litre per 100k, better fuel economy out of it, so go figure. Sure, the full synthetic's dearer, but if you look at that sort of standard, it's actually quite a lot of savings. Alright, let's fill it up. These take 5 litres. This bottom's got about 5 litres left in it. So I'll just fill it up. Okay, so that says it's full while the car's on angle backwards, but the filter's not full yet. Anyway, it's enough to know that we can drive it off the ramps without causing any problems to the engine because it's got plenty of oil in it now. Nice fresh lot of oil. Fill the cap off the catch. Put that on. Job done. Too easy. My wife used to take it to the service centre to do an oil change. It was a service, an oil change, check the air filter, change the oil filter, check and clean the air filter it was, check the nuts and bolts, check the cabin filter and all that sort of thing. It used to take all day. Well, I had the car for all day. Look at that. Not even a 20-minute job. Righto, I found something else underneath this thing when I was under there. I found a new and first ever oil leak that I shall have to investigate and see what to do. But so I can show you all. Have a look at that. First oil leak ever on something that looks like a heat exchanger. I shall have to check that a little bit further. I'll get a little spanner onto it and see if I can tighten it up a bit, but I know it's the first oil leak this car's ever had because we've had it since new. Alright, and don't forget to fill out your service sticker for the next set of kilometres and change it for the old one. There you go. Oh, I can hardly see it. Right.